Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make front post single crochet stitches. Key slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, tie yarn, make a slip knot. Take hook and yarn with these fingers in right hand and left hand. Take hook, take yarn over, make one chain, make one chain, continue to chaining 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skip this stitch, go to this chain, yarn over, make a loop, yarn over, pull through. For make a single crochet from front post, make one chain after first row, turn it, insert your hook into this stitch, take one single crochet stitch on your hook like this. Insert your hook into this stitch, take this stitch on your hook, yarn over, make a loop, pull up yarn, make a loop, yarn over, pull through together. Make one single crochet around this stitch like this. Take this stitch, insert your hook into this stitch, take this stitch on your hook, make a loop, pull through, take a stitch on your hook from front, make one single crochet, round stitch. Take last stitch, these two yarns on your hook, make one single crochet, one chain, turn it. For continue to stitch front post single crochet like this. Insert your hook into this stitch, take a stitch on your hook, make single crochet, take this stitch on your hook, make a loop, pull through, make single crochet stitch around these stitches. Take last stitch, these 2 yarns on your hook, make 1 single crochet and continue same as before round. This is front post single crochet stitch.